Gang Gang, it's me, and I'm Pink Power Ranger.
I'm not sure if you heard her, but she said, "What up, Gucci Gang Gang?" It's
Me, Pink
she's
Power
a Pink Power
Ranger.
Ranger. If you cannot already tell by this is a Halloween slime
Power
activity.
Ooh.
Who are you?
He's green.
He's a creep. Red wanted to be the Pink Power Ranger this year, so she revealed herself. You hot? You hot under there, Dad?
I'm good.
Oh,
Okay.
God, you can't
Well, as you can tell, we have our buckets. We each have our buckets. We have our
and
glue.
we have our bags with our name on it.
Yep. So after, say
Team Dad, hold it
Team
down.
Red, and I have mine right here.
CP Mom.
We have this little Halloween
Yep. Glitter.
stuff. We got different types of
Yep.
food coloring. So y'all ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Before we get started, though.
Subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell once you do. Comment down below and hit that little
Bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get
50,000 likes.
no. Let's do
We need
10 likes.
40 likes.
40.
40 likes, man. Where y'all at?
Let's do 20. Let's be fair. Let's do 20.
I'm do
We
50.
Let's do 20.
Let's do 30.
25.
25.
Alright.
25 likes on this video. And we'll do another
Slime
video, but this time we gotta find out some different stuff we can add in it the next video. If y'all can get
Y'all
us
comment
25
down
likes.
below. Let us know some ideas on what y'all would like to see us do with the slime. So,
Let's
Y'all ready?
get started. Yeah.
Alright.
alright, guys. So, yeah, you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
She said she knows what she's doing, y'all.
There you go.
She thinks she's a slime expert now. So the
Go
red
a
guy,
little more.
red
Yeah,
got
I
no
can
glue.
get a little more.
She can get a little more. That's
Okay.
enough.
Let me put mine in here.
Here, you use this one. This one is not like all the way full.
I think I got enough. That's enough?
You can put more, however much you want.
Better not use all of it.
How she gonna tell
We
me?
got a
not to
whole
use all
nother
of
gallon
it?
right
Ain't
here.
that crazy? But she just said she put a little too much. Y'all see how she was trying to do me?
You wanna go first?
Where is your muscles?
There you go. You shaking? Okay.
Alright, man, she went crazy with it.
You can get your whatever color you want.
Okay, I'm gonna go pink and purple, guys.
Yeah, so y'all
What
see
the
we got
heck?
different
It's a
colors.
new
in?
bottle. Y'all hear how it sounds?
Y'all shake it up.
I did. So.
How much? You going pink and purple?
Here. You didn't put your detergent in.
Oh,
You.
yeah, I did.
I'm going black.
Guys,
Halloween.
y'all know I'm a rookie. Y'all know me, man.
Red.
That's pink. It's like it's neon pink.
Yeah, it's like
How much I need? About this much?
You could have just poured it in there. You have to measure it.
enough.
You can always add and subtract some, so you can see what that is.
I'm gonna open this guy.
I hate the feeling of slime.
I think they slime gonna be better than mine. They tripping.
Ain't nobody even said that.
I just know how y'all think. How y'all get down.
Well, I feel like there's some red. Red, did you put some in mine?
No.
It looked like it. I want it just black.
You ready to go?
It looked gray.
Keep opening it.
I swear, Ray, you put some in mine.
No, I didn't.
Hey guys,
That's a red
comment down.
color. I
Did,
didn't do
did
that.
y'all see her put some in hers?
Look, you see these colors?
Yeah, but I didn't do that.
I'm trying to make sure they can see your bucket. Okay. Don't pour too much. Don't go crazy with it. You don't want to make it look too bad. Put some over here, huh? Right here. Alright. That should be.
Look at this, y'all.
What color is that?
Green.
It's supposed to be black, but this
I'm talking
other
about
color.
yours. Red. She put in 3 colors in hers.
I swear, Ray, you put color in
I
mine.
didn't. Don't blame on me.
She tried to blame it on you, Red.
I didn't.
What's she on, man? She tripping.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Man,
Why
she
you
trying
putting
to
all
make
the
a
different
unicorn,
colors?
guys.
That should have just been pink and purple.
It is pink and purple.
So I'm gonna go
Listen, y'all, this black is not the black that I wanted because it looked like it got some other color in it.
I didn't do it.
I know you did.
She didn't do nothing.
Yes, she did.
No, she not asking about something that we did yesterday.
Yeah, right. Look at you messed my color up.
I didn't even do it.
She didn't do it, Jess.
Yes, you did.
Red been busy getting all these colors to hers. Look at hers.
I want mine like black.
Mine is like
Black.
Black.
Black
What
like
color
Forrest
you
with the
doing?
lips.
Pink and purple.
What about him?
He's still in the orange.
That look like that. You know that one
Y'all
ice
see me,
cream?
guys? Orange. Just a little orange. That's how I started off.
Mine even need to be wiped off.
No, you need to keep mixing.
And then I can have this one.
Look at my hand.
Oh my gosh,
You should have put your
Look at
sleeve
mine.
up.
How we rocking so far.
Mine.
I'm so upset about this other color because it's black and you can still see.
Hey, suck it up.
Her
Man, you
color.
alright? You alright?
You got food coloring all over.
Okay.
Look at mine.
My purple is like.
It's
On the
not really
side.
sticking together at this point. So what I gotta do to get it to stick together?
You gotta keep mixing. You still got stuff all inside of your
Ooh.
bucket.
Okay, give me some more. I want color. Or do I need some more shaving cream?
You gotta keep mixing. You still got a lot in yours too. Look at mine, y'all.
You're just like a gray color.
I do look great, don't it? Probably because that color you put in here.
I didn't do nothing.
She keep trying to say that, real. What's up with her?
I didn't even do that. I need some more color of mine. I need some more purple up top.
You
Well, you
need
don't
to
need
keep
no more
mixing.
color, right? You gotta mix all that stuff and that stuff at the bottom. No, don't do that. Put that right there. You gotta get all that in there. Like, yeah, put that in there. See all that detergent right there? Yeah, you gotta spin. You gotta get all that in there.
We got this Halloween, like, I don't know what this stuff is.
Glitter.
You gotta get all that too so
Glitter.
your stuff can lock up.
Look at my hands. Is this gonna come off?
Huh?
Is this gonna come off?
Yeah.
I don't got nothing to do with that, y'all.
Me either. My phone.
Look at this, man. Look at my slime. Something going wrong.
You
Something going wrong.
look like you're into a shaving cream.
Too much
Look at
sugar.
mine,
That's
guys.
what it look like.
Look at mine.
You need to keep mixing. You don't even have all your glue and everything in there with yours.
That's why my hand's so slippery.
I need some more color. I need some purple. My purple not acting right.
I went crazy with the shaving cream, y'all.
That's what it looks like.
Ooh.
Check it out.
Mine's got bubbles in it.
I'm in a world of trouble, y'all.
I literally just
Look at
added
my
what I
hands.
added in there and that was it.
I need some like
Why are you adding more
because
color?
the purple is not showing up.
I see purple right on
Right, you
top.
got purple right there.
Look, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see these little things.
Yeah,
Mhm.
it's pumpkin and some.
You trying to show out.
No,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, she is.
Whatever.
Well, you.
What are you doing?
I need more shaving cream.
You really don't. That's enough.
Real think you know what she doing, y'all. She don't know what she doing. Her slime gonna look like mine.
Oh, we got white too. Mine already looked gray.
So just add some
I'm
white.
gonna add some white and see what it do.
We'll change it into a different color.
I'm gonna add a little bit to see what it do.
Look at this, y'all. I done added more. I added more detergent. I added more glue. Look how it look, y'all.
Oh,
What did you do? Why is it so wet? Epic fail, okay?
Epic fail, yeah.
I see the white didn't do much for mine.
mine is looking so good. Mine.
Somebody won't help because I'm down with my phone.
Alright, look at this.
I don't think I want to help you. Yours look too messy.
Oh my.
You want to help me?
Guys, look at this.
Maria, what? Look, you still
Look at
got
this, guys.
blue shaving cream and everything over here.
Mine doesn't do that. Yeah, mine is.
Hers look better than yours, and it's almost.
Don't say that. It do.
Alright guys, this is the end of this video.
Alright, and this is what it turned out to be. I tried black, but somebody put a different color in
So
mine.
let's check it
So
out.
it looked more like smoky gray or even like a purple.
Yeah, it look good though.
You
Yours
can't
nice,
see.
solid. Look how clean her bucket is, y'all. Like, how did she even do that?
I put some of these little Halloween things in there, but you can't really see.
Okay.
So-
So let's check out.
Comment Team Mom in the comment
Here's
section.
mine.
And that's Reyes.
All right.
Reyes turned out really good, actually. Really, you can actually see some of the stuff she put in there. She put gold glitter, some of this stuff that I put in there. So hers actually turned out really good. And then we
Here's
had a little bit of a
Daddy's
disaster.
messy. This is my daddy's.
All right, guys. So y'all, this is what I came up with.
It's so messy.
I really don't know what happened. It started off orange, and then I tried to add some black into it, and
That's what happened.
yeah. But y'all see,
With that
I'm-
big glob of glitter sitting on
But y'all
top.
see, I'm the only person that added glitter.
No,
so
you
I'm
are not.
confident.
Ray added glitter. Ray added a lot
Can't
of
see her
glitter.
glitter though. I got the best glitter work in mine, and I got the best other decorations too. Nah, Red do, but I got the best glitter work. So comment, Team Dad, comment
Comment who
best
had
glitter
the best
work.
Yeah,
Halloween
mine
slime.
is so pretty.
In the
So
comment section.
comment for mine.
All right, guys.
Team
Make sure
Mom.
y'all tell
Make
them.
sure you guys like, comment,
Subscribe
subscribe.
and hit the notification bell. Once you do that, comment down below.
How many likes did we have for 25?
Yeah.
Right?
Yep,
25
guys,
likes,
mine's, my daddy slime bounce, but mine's really don't.
Your dad's slime does not
Peace out, man.
bounce.
They hating. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.